something. I mean, I know you.
One aspect of music I study psychophysics. Relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena.
So you have empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal.
I know something.
And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular. Mirror projection.
What I pulled. Oh, let me hear that.
Also, lexicographers' inability to decipher the ambiguous nature of language.
It says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else. That's not a virtue. That's not a virtue. That's just...
Because a premise is ambiguous. And a proposition is ambiguous.
It's empathy a lot of times too, right?
Yeah, empathy. Empathy, of course. And empathy is one of those things I spend... You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity. Logical, subliminal information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example is
just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Let me hear that.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Let's prediction 1949. And at the end, I like to go, cocaine on his back.
Is that just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I crossed you a deep back.
It's chili.
Chili. He's a dog. I call him Chili Dog.